jacket made its way to the first manufacturing company line by way of the turbine jacket. I found an older perforated jacket in the sample room and took it to the factory to have a new pattern made. The turbine jacket has a modern fit and in my opinion has the best perforated airflow in the industry. Back to the Indy. We simplified the collar so it would work better with a vest over top. The Indy's best feature is hands down the DuPont Kevlar inserts located in the elbow and the shoulder. The leather is lightweight and durable and features our 1.1mm naked cowhide. We are excited about how this jacket turned out. If you're looking for a 2 to 3 season jacket, your search is over.